We go to practice set 6.2, question 1. The radius of a circle is 10 centimeter. There are two chords of length 16 centimeter each. What will be the distance of these chords from the center of the circle? Now we have a circle here. They have said that the radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. Now what is the radius? It is the distance from the center to the circumference of the circle. So we see the segments which are joining the center of the circle to the circumference as OP and OD. So OB equal to OD equal to 10 centimeter. Further, they have said that there are two chords of length 16 centimeter each. We can name the chords here. They are chord AB and chord CD. They have said that their lengths are 16 centimeter. Further, they have asked what will be the distance of these chords from the center of the circle. Now, both these chords are of equal length. They are 16 centimeter each. We have to find the distance of these chords from the center of the circle, that is OM or ON. How much will be the distance? Now first of all, we consider the center of the circle as O. So let the center of the circle be O. Write it down. Then we consider the two chords as AB and CD. So let segment AB and segment CD be the given congruent chords. Now once we have these congruent chords, since OM is the perpendicular which is drawn to AB, you see here OM is the perpendicular drawn to AB, chord AB. So segment OM perpendicular to segment AB. Therefore this point M lies between A and B. So we write here A and B on either ends and M in between, A dash M dash B. Similarly, when we look at the other chord CD, we see that segment ON is the perpendicular to chord CD. So we write segment ON perpendicular to segment CD such that N lies between C and D. So N lies between C and D. Now I told you that OB and OD are the radius. So OB equal to OD is equal to 10 centimeter. What is the reason here? Because they are radii of the same circle. So we write here the reason. Radii of the same circle. Next we have AB equal to CD equal to, the chords, their length they said is 16 centimeter. So AB equal to CD equal to 16 centimeter. What is the reason? It was given to us, so we write here given. If AB is 16 centimeter, MB will be half of AB. So we write here MB is equal to half into AB. What is the reason? The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore MB is equal to half into AB is the length of the chord, and the length of the chord we said is 16. So half into 16, which will be 8, that is 8 centimeter. Now what do? We take this triangle here, triangle OMB. Triangle OMB, since OM is perpendicular to AB, triangle OMB is a right angle triangle. So we write it. Triangle OMB is a right angle triangle. And when we have a right angle triangle, the theorem which we use is Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem, we look at the figure again. The side opposite to the right angle is OB, which is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. That is OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. So we write OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. Now what is OB? OB is the radii of the circle, and radii of the circle we said is 10 centimeter. So in place of OB I can write 10. Okay, then I have OM square, which we don't know and we have to find out. Also we have MB square. MB just now we found out it was 8 centimeters. So in place of MB we write 8. So 8 square, yeah, and OM we don't know what it is. So it is written as OM itself. 10 square is 100 is equal to OM square plus 8 square is 64. 100, 64 on the other side will be minus 64 is equal to OM square. 100 minus 64 is 36. 36 equal to OM square. Therefore, OM will be square root of 36. When we say square root of 36, we know that square root of 36 is 6. So, OM is equal to 6 centimeter. Now, if OM is equal to 6 centimeter, we know that ON also will be 6 centimeter. Why? Because we have learnt the theorem that congruent chords are equidistant from the center of the circle. So if OM is 6 centimeter, ON also is 6 centimeter, because OM equal to ON, since the congruent chords are equidistant from the center of a circle. So here we write the property first. Congruent chords are equidistant from the center of a circle. Therefore, ON equal to OM, or ON also is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the distance of the given chords from the center of the circle, OM also 6 centimeter, ON also is 6 centimeter. So, the distance of the chords from the center of the circle is 6 centimeter.